Alright guys, so I've gone live. Oh no, hold on, psych, give me 1 second. I'm gonna have to kill and restart this. Alright, so now go. Perfect. Okay. So, god dang it. Okay, so I have to figure out, hold on. I'm doing this wrong. 1 second. I need to go to screen layout and workstation.sh. And let's see, 633 is where it's at. Okay, that's what I've got to set it up to. Oh, thank you for the notifications, YouTube. Okay, so now, give me 1 second. We'll be right back with the correct screen showing. Okay, there we go. Now, it should be right. Should have the correct location. The desktop should be showing no problemo. We should be all good now. Hopefully. We'll find out. I mean, let me know if that's working, everybody. Also, thanks everybody for being here. It's much appreciated. Yeah, we're just going to be messing around with DWM here on OpenBSD and probably fine-tuning PyCom. I'll need to update my PyCom stuff because Jonah Berg's PyCom works better than PyJulius's PyCom, and the animations are not nearly as good. So I'm definitely gonna do some configuring to some of the options for animations, so I can get better audio, or not audio, better looks. Audio's cutting in and out. That's not good. Why would the audio be cutting in and out? We fixed this. We fixed this on the streaming script. Like what? Hold on, let me zoom in. And let me close Chrome. Vim dot local bin OpenBSD and stream OpenBSD. Like, why this no work, you poo? Because we gave it the audio resample async shit, so it should be working. Like, the audio should be fine. Okay, cool. All right, well, hopefully Scott will get his. Yeah, okay, so don't freak me out like that, man. Oh, I was so worried. I was like, I thought we fixed that. Sweet. Well, thanks guys for letting me know, and thanks for being here, guys. It's much appreciated. So yeah, let's go ahead and load up DWM and Suckless. And yeah, also wait, hold on. Let me see, because I think I have like a webcam script set up. No, I removed that because I don't think I have those anymore. Don't think so. Hold on, ls.local bin. Yeah. I don't even think it's in OpenBSD. Yeah, no. Okay. Yeah, I did remove those. But I could bring up the webcam, but audio is going to be out of sync and shit, so it really doesn't matter. Let me go in here and go down to patches, because we're about to start patching the living shit out of DWM. Or, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's that good OpenBSD time. And I've very much been enjoying OpenBSD. We might play a little bit of, we might do a little bit of gaming here too. Very well could. But John, Grim, Rival, Low Spec, Scott, everybody, I hope all you guys are doing good. Thanks for being here. And Derek, I see Derek popping in. How you doing? Yep. Yes, sir. That's exactly it. I am a glutton for punishment. Very, very much so. All right, bar height I know is a patch that I'm gonna want. Bar height wait, hold on. The following patch is the way mentioned in the Arch Wiki is instead added to the variable rename from user bar to bar spacing is instead added to the font size. As a result, the bar height respects the DPI, which defines the font height. Which one should I use? I guess I should use the newer one. Bar height. Fuck. Which one do I use? Do I use bar height or just bar height space, or just bar height or bar height spacing? Which one do I use? Which one should I go with? I don't think I've been here. It actually has been a little bit since I've used DWM. I mean, I completely removed it from my dot files. I didn't think I was going back. I really like BSPWM, but I guess I should say that. Okay, let me turn that down. Turn that off. Notifications. But yeah. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so it's been a minute, but BSPWM has been giving me an issue, like when I try to move floating windows around, the way it like moves windows is like very jittery and stuff, and it's very annoying. So yeah, I'm just gonna go back to DWM. Plus also I want to mess around. I never use SL status, so this time around I'm gonna try using it and seeing if I like keeping the bar with like a SL status, because I've literally never, like, I genuinely don't think I've ever used SL status before. I know I've seen people use it, seen videos on it and everything, but I don't think I've ever actually used it myself. Yeah, the compiling is just a little bit much. Well, by the time you'll afford you can afford Epic, everything will have progressed to a point where getting an older Epic just really won't be worth it. Because chips now are I feel like we're going to hit a point now where we stop getting faster and faster chips and we just get much more efficient chips at like relatively similar speeds, which is, I mean, it's a good thing. There are cancer fighting properties in the devil's lettuce. I mean, that's for sure. But RSO, Rick Simpson oil, RuneScape Online. I am, yeah, definitely not a RuneScape dude. So I guess since no one is telling me that I should go with the bar height spacing here, I'll probably just, yeah, shit, which one should I do? Following patches the way mentioned in Arch Wiki, the variable renamed from user bar to bar spacing is instead added to the font size. As a result, the bar height respects the DPI. You know what? Fuck it. Let's go with the new one, because we're fucking cool like that. Save link as. Oh, why do you go up there? Let's just do bar height. Get it just to be bar height, and we want, oh well, I'm gonna have to save them all to downloads and then move them. Save. Let me see. Downloads is not empty. Okay. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. We'll just pull with a glob and .diff. Grab everything out of there. We don't need alpha or anything. No, alternative tags is not what we need. There's a different one that I can't remember what it's called. But it's not alternative tags. What is it called? Where you have like, oh shit, I can't remember. But it's like it's the patch that lets you have like one icon. I mean, is it alternative tags? Hold on. Static const tags alt. No, I don't think it. No, it's not tags alt, but it's like alternative tags. Like you can have different icons appear based off of whether or not there's something there. I can't remember what it is. Dang it. I have no idea what it is. But we want to do always center. We definitely want to get that. Save link as. Let's pull this down, do always center, and let me read chat. Always center.diff. Yes, sir. If you want to do some serious gaming, OpenBSD comes preloaded with some bangers. Yeah, that's true. It does have some games. One being Fish, which actually caused issues for me, but not like the game was broken. But I wanted to install the Fish shell, and it was just a fucking nightmare with the Fish game already there. Like, let me just see if I load it up here. If I just type out Fish, I believe it'll load up. Yeah. Do you want instructions? No. You get a start. Like, you can play Go Fish with the computer. So yeah. But yeah. I don't know why I removed it. Like, I just genuinely thought I probably wouldn't go back. Like, I really liked BSPWM, but DWM is kind of primo. Let's be honest. DWM it's pretty nice. Besides the patching, as soon as you're done patching and you just don't do it anymore, it's pretty awesome. When you have to patch it, it's like, why did I choose this? Let's see. No. Any bar. No, that's not what we want. Attach a side, I believe, is yes. This is what we want here. Let's get the new version. Save link as. Pull it down. And attach a side diff. Perfect. Auto resize. By default, windows that are not visible when requesting a resize move won't get a resize move. With this patch, they will. Yeah, no. Auto start. This patch will make DWM run before entering handler loop. One or both of these files can be omitted. Okay, so let's see. 2021. Save link as. We want the auto start diff for sure. That's for sure coming down with us. We've got bar height. Now I believe we need bar padding. Yes. We want the 2021. Save link as. Yeah, we're going to get all these patches. Ah, Lucas, how's it going? Oh, okay, so DT's using like 10 or 12 patches. Gotcha. I'll probably be right there with you here before too long. Let's be honest. But Lucas, hope you're doing good. Philip, how you doing? How you doing? Welcome. Greg, how you doing? How you doing? Glaucus, I probably butchered that username because I'm good at that. How you doing? How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Check Glaucus Linux if you like suckless stuff. Nah, I'm gonna stick with OpenBSD for now. I'm liking it. I just need to figure out. Every time I have to redo my patches, I always think alternative tags is the tag that I need to get. Like, essentially what I like doing is I like having. Hold on, let me go to the material icons cheat sheet. Which one is the one that I go to? There's quantum themes. That's it. Okay, so I like doing the circle. I don't know. I'm not finding it, but anyway, just like an empty circle and then like a filled in one. You know, like whatever. Like, I always think it's alt tags, but it's not. It's a different one, and I can never remember what its name is. But let's just keep going through here. I got bar padding. Don't want blank tabs. Bottom stack. No. Can focus floating. No. Center. No. We got always centered. Centered window name. We could do that, but no. Color bar, no. Columns, no. Cool. Auto start, no. Cursor warp, yes. Warp the cursor to the center of the target window when switching between them with focus stack and focus mon, yes. Well, hold on. I think I typically use like just warp. Hold on, let me see warp here. This is a patch that warps the mouse cursor to the center of the currently focused window or screen when the mouse cursor is A on a different screen or B on top of a different window. Perfect. This is the one that we want. Save link as. Grab the warp. Pull that in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Luke, I hope you're doing well. 6 patches. Trust me, I have 6 patches. I used to think that was a little bit much. Yeah, I don't know why I was so ignorant back then, but you know, I just was. Like, having plenty of patches is kind of like you kind of need at least a handful of patches with DWM. Let's be honest. For extended use, yeah, it's worth it. Default transparency, destroy focus, no. Dual status, dynamic scratch pads, no. We don't want any of this. Fade inactive, fake full screen, no. Fancy bar, no. Fibonacci, no. Focus adjacent tag, no. Focus modern, no. Full gaps, no. Functional gaps, no. We're going to use vanity gaps. Gestures, no. I legit thought that said goat seed for a second, and I was going to be like, wait, what? There's a patch called goat seed? I'm very disappointed now. That should definitely say goat seed 100%. 110,000%. Let me zoom in. I'm sorry, boys. But no goat seed, just goat CMD. Grid mode, hide border, hide vacant tags. in place, rotate, insets, integrate status, keychain, key modes, kill focus. Come on, give me launcher, layout, left stack, no, maximize monocle count, move center, no, move to edge, MPD control. I don't use MPD. I might need to. I mean, if you guys, if someone in here is super big into MPD, if you want to convince me to use it today might be the day. No border. Keeps decoration per tag. This patch keeps layout and master per tag. No. Per tag. Rainbow tags. No. Rearrange bar. No. Resize corners. No. Actually, resize corners makes it to where you can just, yeah, okay, we'll go ahead and do that. Yeah, save link as resize corners. Let's get, like, I want all the nice patches, you know, all the nice ones that just make life a little bit nicer. Let's go. Now we need rotate stack. Yes, this one's pretty obvious. I think everyone uses rotate stack. It's one of those patches that like most people have, even if you only use like 3. That's probably one of the patches that you use. Let's see. Go back up here. Just yesterday, a Gen 2 video, of course. Yeah, I mean, I bounced around like nobody's business, that's for damn sure. Yeah, the NCP thing, it's wild. Yeah, that's why I just use CMOS, because it's like I have very simple need. Like I just need you to play music, and maybe I'll make a playlist. Maybe. That's it. Let's see. Scheme script tags, self restart, no. Set border picks, no. No. Keep going. We don't need the Steam patch. That's for sure. Switch to tag, no. Underline tags. Wait, what is that? Underline tags. Oh, nice. This looks good for certain color schemes. That's pretty nice. But no, we're using icons for ours. Useless gap, no, vanity gaps. That's what we want right there. Let's get our vanity gaps. Stack, centered master, centered floating master. Wait, deck. Yeah, I don't think we need all that. Save link. We'll do the original or up-to-date one. Gaps diff. Download that. Incurse's music player? I have no idea. Incurse's music player C++. That's literally what it stands for. Jesus Christ. Just, good Lord. It's a terrible name. I mean, here's how bad the name is. I never even wanted to know what it stood for. I mean, I assumed it stood for something, but I didn't want to know. Such an aggressively bad name. Alright, I need to know what the hell Smoig was using, because I know it's something other than alternative tags. Because it's not momentary. Momentary alt tags. I mean, maybe it is alt tags, but I don't think it is. Having icons as tags sure makes DWM look awesome, but having tags number simply tags related operations. This patch introduces alternative tags which can be switched on the fly for the sole purpose of providing visual aid. Oh yeah, see, this is like a manual switch between them, right? And that's not what we want. We want it just when they're active to be there. Good Lord. I cannot remember. I mean, it may be, but I'm pretty sure this is the patch that I always assume is the wrong one. Oh, that's right, Mintalk. I forgot you were getting your quest today. Dude, we're definitely playing VR later. That's 100% happening. Too many patches, sir? No. No, we're not even close. Well, I mean, we are actually. We're pretty much done. We just need one more. Okay, I need to know this. I need to reach out to Smoig. That's what I need to do. I need to reach out to Smoig. I'll send a message. Let me send that message. Let me see, is Smoig on here? Is Smoig online? Let me see. Smoig. Doesn't look like he's on Discord. Alright, so to anyone's knowledge, is there a different alternative tags patch or a different patch that lets you switch icons based off of, you know, which workspace you're on? Or which workspaces have active alt tags decoration? Wait, maybe it's this one, alt tags decoration. Yes, it's this one. Yes, okay, it's this one. Never mind, I found it. Okay, I'm just being big dumb. It's alt tag. So use alternative tags containing a window. Yep, sweet. Okay, that's what we want. Cool. That took me way too long to figure that out. Alright, so we've got all them patches. Now let's do CD into my downloads folder, and then we're gonna MV everything that ends in .diff, and we're gonna move that into my home directory /.config suckless DWM and patches. Perfect. Now if we ls, awesome. We don't have anything in here that is a patch. So now let's cd into .config surplus DWM, and then we're going to do ls patches. And then we're going to do oh, Smoig did actually message me back. Let me message you back. Yeah, it's alt decorations. Exactly. Let's see, how many patches do I have? Okay, so that's 9. Yeah, I've got 10, so I'm a pro. What's up? Alright, so let's patch this. Patch-P1. And then we need to give it, I believe it's that, and then patches / let's do alt tags decoration first. Alright. Succeeded and succeeded. Cool beans. Now we'll do always center. That succeeded. Attach aside. Oh, we got one that failed. That's in DWM.C.reject. Let's vim in here. Okay, go to tab E, DWM.C. And we're going to go for line, it's talking about 1884. So let's go to 1884. Let's see, where would this be at? /attach C. Where am I at? Where did it take me? Oh, right down here. Attach C. Okay, cool. We're going to remove attach C and add attach aside C. Okay. And D. Cool. WQ. Then we're going to quit, and we're going to rm dwm.c.reject. Cool. Alright. So now we got all of those patched. Let's do another ls of patches, and then we're going to do attach aside. Let's go ahead and do as make install clean and give it the password, because we need to figure out if we're going to have errors, and we are. Alt tags, did you mean attach side? What the fuck? Did we have anything else error out? I just didn't notice it? I don't think so. Or use of undeclared identifier alt tags. Yeah. I love how all y'all are like, just remove the bar. Just remove the bar. I will probably actually be keeping around the bar, because I'm going to try SL status this time around. because I actually haven't tried out a SL status before, so I'm going to give it a shot, see if I like SL status, but have no idea. Yeah, so let's do the alt tags patch again. First things first. Oh wait, rm config.h. That might have been the problem. Yes, that was it. Yeah, because we just didn't. We had a config.h that was not updated. So, cool. We just got one warning. Okay, everything's fine. All right. Perfect. ls patches. And let's get started patching again. Let's go on to the auto start diff. Patching succeeded and then succeeded again. So yeah, that was fine. Let's do now the bar height. Height diff. Succeeded and succeeded, so that was easy. And then let's do what is it? Bar padding is next up. Bar padding. All right. So we need to edit the config.def.h file. config.def.h, and let's grab these two lines here and put them underneath top bar. Alright, top padding around them. Yup. Like it. WQ, save that. Quit out of there, and then we need to do, what is this, DWMC, yeah, dwm.c.reject, tab E, dwm.c, and we need to go sp equals sidepad, sp equals sidepad. Side padding. Oh wait, we're adding that, you dipshit. It's not there. So let's do update geometry. Update geom. Update geometry. Yep. Okay, so this is right where we need to be. Copy these lines, and we're going to paste them right above update geometry. Put that in there. Yep. And the only other thing we had is add a space in between there. Cool. Alright. So we got that done. Now we can move on to resize corners. We're working our way through here. We're over half the way there. Oh, we're doing a good job, boys. Good job. Could go check out the WAN show. Jonathan, nice to see you, man. MS or everybody, if I haven't said hi to you, welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. I need a bar to at least show which workspaces are occupied. Now, gaps are useless. Yes, they're completely useless, but they also are awesome, so we're going to use them. Let's see. Now, let's go ahead and do everything else. Resize corners is next up. Resize corners. All right, everything succeeded. Now we're going to do rotate stack, config.def, succeeded, cool, and DWM.C succeeded, cool, and now we're going to do the big daddy, vanity gaps, and we ran vanity gaps, and so config.def.h failed, and DWM.C completely succeeded, so that's cool. So all we got to do is vim into config def.h.reject, and we got to grab, what is this, 4 lines here, y4, then go tab E, config.def.h, and let's see, where should this go? Underneath snap, P. Oh, and we also need smart caps. Paste, remove the plus, smart caps. Yes, we don't want smart gaps on. 10 for everything here. Yeah. Vertical padding, everything. I can zoom out a little bit, that'll make everything a little bit cleaner. Let me know if that's like too small of text so you can't read it. But okay, we've got all of this added. Nice. WQ, save that. Quit out of there. So we got config.def.h set up, DWM.c completely succeeded. So now we just need to patch warp as the last thing. And that one completely succeeded. So ls, and now we can rm config.h, yes, and then we can remove config.def.h.original, reject on original, then we can remove DWM.1.original, DWM.c.original, reject, see, anything else? I think that's it that we want to clean up. Now let's vim config.def.h, and let's do some more setup. So in here, you want this to be monofur nerd font mono size. Do 14. Let's do 28 there for the user bar height. Size 14 for right now. Might need to adjust that. Anti-alias equals true. Colon auto hit equals true. Oop, true. And let's go V and copy that, and let's paste it in here. Cool. Oh, and we'll need to add another one in here. Let me just move you over to 2. And let me zoom in here. Because what we need to do is comma, enter down in here, go over and do colon, material, icon, fc dash list, pipe into grep, and we're going to grep for material icons. Yeah, I just want to make sure it was plural. Icons colon size equals 14 colon anti-alias equals true, auto hint equals true. Which actually, here's a question. DT, I've always copied the auto hint part from other people's configs, including yours. Do you know what auto hint is for when it comes to a font? Like what is that for? Boy, dying. I mean, that's true. Yeah. I mean, if you want to see which tag you're on, you do need a bar. You know. I mean, you could do it a different way, like with notifications. But yeah, you probably just want a bar. Yeah. I mean, you don't need tags, like in a bar, because the bar doesn't need to be there. It's just representing like what tag you're on and all that good stuff. Well, I mean, I'm using multiple monitors and I've lived without bars plenty. It's just setting up, like, I don't know. I mean, it depends. Like for me, I can limit the amount of like workspaces I use, and so it's pretty easy for me to keep up with where I am and all that, but I could easily see it not being so easy. So I mean, if you use a lot of workspaces and shit, like yeah. Let's see, we'll work on the color scheme and everything eventually. Here, let's delete that. Let's keep the Firefox one, even though I don't use it. And then all of these increase gaps and everything, we'll delete these toggle gaps, default gaps. That's going to be a lot of warnings that we generate, but I think it'll be fine. Mod key Z will be zoom. Take it back, just tab over. I guess I can't. Okay. Mod tab equals view. Okay. Mod key T. All of this needs to be shift. So I don't think I have anything for key colon shift mask. What am I doing? Copy this. So let's go down here, and I'm going to reduce it down to just 5 workspaces. Go up here. Perfect. And we've just got 5 alt tags here. Awesome, awesome. Awesome's awesome. So now, I guess we could go ahead and set up like icons and everything for it all. I mean, we could. Let's see. Where is just the circle like outline? Come on. Don't let me miss it, boys. Oh, that's pretty nice, yeah. Analytic. An email notifier. I probably need to add that to mine so I'll know when I get emails. Definitely need to do that. Ah, here we are. Circle right there. So let's copy that. Let's go over here. Right, and then we grab this for the alternative tags. Alright, and now we can go down here and add the icons for tiling and such. Well, right now we're just hanging out in OpenBSD, customizing DWM. We're using the material icons cheat sheet here to grab different icons for the DWM setup. Windows is a pretty good distro, you know. I mean, it's a fantastic Linux distro. We all know Microsoft is secretly running a Linux core. That's definitely what's going on. What should we use this for tiling? Like, what should we use for our icons for tiling, floating, and monocle layout? What should we use? I mean, we could do like this for tiling, this for floating, and this for full screen. Or no, I think these are a different size, so we should probably do like this one for full screen. Nah, I don't like that. Oh, I don't know. This is the difficult part here. Just tweaking it. Yeah. I mean, FreeBSD and OpenBSD, the best devices to try them on are older devices anyway. That's where you're likely to have the most success. Okay, I genuinely don't know what we should do for this. I have no idea. We need tiling, floating, and full screen. I don't know the best icons for it. Don't know. What should we use? We could use this for tiling, this for full screen, and this for floating. Yeah, I think we could do that. I think that would look good. Same row as the others. What are you talking about? Oh yeah. Well, I mean, we got these down here, but I don't know. I like these. I mean, Ben uses LFS as a daily driver. You know, I mean, I don't know if that's going to be true the next time I speak to him, but the last time I spoke to him, that's what he was doing. This one's going to be full screen. And then that one, copy this. Control-Shift-V. Save that real quick. Okay. Shift J and K to switch the stack bars, all that. Oh, what about the restart? Did we not apply that patch? I don't think we did. Hold on. Click WQ, LS patches. Hold on, LS patches. We didn't. So we actually have another patch that we need to pull down. Oh, fun. Good. Good. No, let me do this over here. We need the restart patch. I thought I grabbed this, but we didn't. Restart SIG. Cool. An alternative might be to put that in your Exynet RC. I mean, that could work. Yeah. But that means like we really can't get out of it. Like if I really do want to just drop to a TTY, then I don't really have the option. Let's save link as. Let's patch this bitch. Yes. More patches. More. Alright, so we're up to 11 now. We're over 10. Perfect. There we go. Wait, Terrell, can LFS do what? What are you asking if it can do? other distros just don't give you enough freedom. Well, the freedom to have a package manager is kind of awesome. And LFS doesn't really do that. LFS is worse than Gen 2. At least Gen 2 you could run it as a daily driver. LFS is like, at that point you're making life so incredibly difficult for yourself. MV everything in slash or home slash downloads with .diff ending, move all that to patches here. LS patches, and now we should have restart sig. So now we can go patch dash P1 and we're going to patch in restart sig. Okay. Cool. Patching file, that succeeded. DWM.1 succeeded, and DWM.c succeeded. Cool. So now ls everything, and we will rm.config.def.h.original, rm dwm.1.original, rm dwm.c.original. Just trying to keep this clean. I mean, just know if you're doing this yourself, you might want to keep those around just in case. Just in case, you know, why not? Config.def.h, and go back down in here, and now for our restart signature, we're going to want to do that as shift mass R quit 1. Okay, Q. Perfect. How do I SSH into my desktop and use it with DWM like I was sitting at my desktop? I don't know. Yeah, as far as I know, you can do it. I don't know how to do it. All right, well, we've got this configured, baby. So let's do as make install clean. All right. So we did that. So now all I got to do is restart back into DWM, and yeah, we should have a much better looking DWM setup. We did not do any ricing to it, so yeah, that's something, but hopefully it's not bad. We'll figure out. Are you guys ready for me to do a restart? Because I'll have to kill Xorg, load everything back up real quick, and then oh wait, hold on. I'm glad I actually thought about this because I need to set up the auto start script. So let's go to auto start, and it's in the home.dwm auto start script. Control C. Let's go up here. CD vim.dwm auto start new directory. Yeah, so this didn't exist, so let's do tab E dot screen layout workstation, and we're gonna copy that and paste it in here, and up here do the shebang slash What is it? Shit. Hold on. No, we don't want the tab E slash dot RC, yeah. Paste. There we go. Cool. All right. So we got this running. We want this to run afterwards, and to $sign when I can think about it right. Do end. That wasn't helping. We're going to go yank that from here, paste it in. Delete that for right now. Yeah, I think that's all we need. I want these to run as a separate script. That should solve some issues I'm having here. Oh my God. Well, first, make DWM, then go in here, and now I gotta do this all over again. Just awesome. Screen layout, workstation, tab E.xnrc, paste. Oop. Go forward. Oh, I deleted it out of there. Cool. Quit that. Go back and go bg fill and go to home directory / pictures / wallpapers / fusion a1.jpg. LS pictures wallpapers are gonna make sure PNG. I knew it. I freaking knew it. PNG. All right, cool. Now we should be ready to restart. Sometimes I use a display manager, but right now I'm not. Now, why not just add the xinetRC loop to restart DWM? Because at that point, I can't just quit and drop to a TTY. I'd have to switch to a different TTY, which again, it's really just personal preference. There's no point in quitting DWM. You can restart without killing X. No, I can't, because I don't have the patch added. Just kill the DWM process. Okay. Alright, start up the stream again. Let me load up this. Move it over here. The bar is massive. But it's okay. I'm just going to shrink it down. It's just because we're using a different version where it adds it. So yeah, that's pretty neato. Let me go into YouTube Studio, and I guess I'll just move this over here, and mod I, and let me load up chat so I can actually, like, you know, see it. Come on, take me to go live. You can do it, YouTube. I believe in you. There we go. Yeah, killing the process, by the way, is the same thing. It results in the same thing as just quitting DWM. It still kills it and kills X. So yes, I know. I saw that on the patch. I know you can just add it to a loop and then it won't actually die. But I added the patch so I can just drop down to a TTY, because I do actually occasionally want to do that. So, anywho's, yeah. Now what we need to do is just fine tune the theme and the look of DWM and everything. Then get our like status bullshit in here, and we good to go. Yeah. Well, I mean, we obviously need to do some more system rising, but you know, that's besides the point. We can worry about that in a second. But also am probably going to switch up the theming for this. I went with Nor. Okay, what color scheme do you guys want to see on this OpenBSD setup? Like, if you personally were going to put a color scheme on it, what would you want to see? What would you want to see? Hit me up with it. Like, Grovebox, Modus. I've never even heard of Modus before. Pitch black. I want everything to be black. Oh, we've got multiple votes for Capuchin now. Capuchin is a good color scheme, that's for damn sure. Hold on, let me check out Modus. It's not that it's bad, but it's just not. Doesn't shout, "Come here, baby." Also, I doubt it has like a GTK theme and shit. I have not heard of it. Monakai. Yeah. No. I think Capuchin's good. Grovebox. Okay, so, I mean, let's see. So I've got Grovebox. All those votes are fucking... Like, I've got 3 votes for Grovebox, but they all come from Scott. So, we've got 2 votes for Grovebox, which is nice. We have 2 votes for Capuchin. We got 1 vote for we got 1 vote for like 3 different things, but I'm not giving Emacs a shot, mainly because I've done that plenty of times, and every single time I fucking hate it because I don't need it. Like, it's a no. I don't need it. I don't think you guys understand how fucking simple my needs of a text editor is. It's real fucking simple, and Emacs is everything but simple. Okay, so Capuchin now has 3 votes. 4 votes. Okay. All right. All right, so it's a cat. All right, now. All right, I like it. I like it. Let's see what we can do with this Capuchin thing. Why do I have it as Cappuccino? Capuchin. Puchin. Fantastic. This theme is just great. I mean, for one, I think I am using still the Rofi theme. I've changed up the colors, which will change those back. But, or wait, did I change the color? Yeah. Shit, bro, I'm not sure. Maybe. I don't even know. Shit. I got no idea. But anyway. Yeah. I'm using their theme for Rofi because it's just awesome. Like, it just is. It's awesome. I need to change the font for everything over to monofur, and shit should be much better then. Let's see. What do I need first off? First off, let me see. Vim plug. Manually clone this repository. Put the colors folder inside of your .vim. Or if the colors folder already exists, move all the Capuchin palettes inside of it. Okay. Yeah, let's just clone this repository. Clone. Hold on, let me go ls.vim. No such file or directory. Cool. Let's make dir.vim. Then we're going to clone this repository here. Git clone, Control Shift V. There we go. CD into Vim, and then ls, and we should have our colors. So we're going to move colors into .vim. CD back up. RM, RF, Vim. Get that out of here, and then we can just load up Vim. Go into color scheme, right? Right? And color scheme, Capuchin. Let's do like Capuchin. I don't think it's working. Capuchin underscore. I can't do any tab complete underscore mocha. Yeah, I cannot find color scheme. Huh. Well, what the fuck? Do we need like Vim plug for it to work? I don't know. We might. I have no idea. Let's get Vim plug. That very well could be what it is. Vim awesome. Where is Vim plug? Or no, just let me get Vim plug. Or not Vim plugins. Oh, that's why. Dash plug. Come on. Here we go. Copy that. Control Shift V. We need to do as. Oh, no, wait. We don't have to run it with do as. I always think we do. Hold on. No. Just. Shit. You know what? Yeah. You know what? Just scratch that. Let me recopy it. I'm getting all over the place. There we go. I always think we need it, but we don't. Vim. Can we do color scheme now? After we do that, do we have to run something? plug install. Not an editor command. What? I'm so confused. What? Huh. You know what? Okay. We'll figure that out at some other point. Right now, let's just get it. Let's get kitty themed. We got Rofi looking good. You don't have like like the only shell you have is fish with a theme. What? What are you doing? Chrome. Let's go here. Let's go and grab that. We want. There's latte, mocha, frappe, macchiato. Yeah, I want the macchiato. Hit me up with the macchiato, bruv. Thank you. Now let's keep going down. Kitty. Contents of flavor.conf. Let's get macchiato. Copy all this. Cursors. Control C. vim.config. Kitty. Kitty.conf. Let's go down here to foreground everything. Delete everything down there. And then copy this again. Make sure we got it. Control Shift V. Save that. Open it back up. Looks good. Looks good. I mean, you know, looks good. Let's see. What else do we have in here? YouTube. Oh, that social accounts. Okay. Thought these were like actually they actually had the. Oh wait, they do. Install style. Oh, they're using stylus for it. Ah. I have not used stylus. I normally use dark reader. Let me check out stylus. Add extension. Okay. Let's see how easy this is to use. Macchiato. Okay. Install style. Style is installed. Okay. Applies to like YouTube pages. So wait, now if I go to YouTube, oh, that's pretty cool. Like that's really neat. Oh, that's really cool. Really cool. Okay. Neato. Sure, I'm down. Mail spring. Let's see. No taking obsidian. No. dark reader. Here we go. All right, let's add dark reader because I like dark reader. I need to use it on here. Add extension. Click close. We're going to go to dark reader. Go to Dev Tools. Preview new design. Apply. And then close out of there. And we're going to go closing this. Go back over here. Go to here. See all options, colors, and the background is going to be 161320. The foreground color is going to be D9E0EE. And the selection is going to be custom, and it's going to be DDB6 F2. And I'll set up the font and everything when we actually get that ready to go. Go back. Cool. Cool. Now we've got a much more readable internet, which is great. Oh, sorry, I was not paying attention to chat, boys. My bad. Luca, well, congrats, I guess, on smoking weed. Welcome to the stream, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Just because you said it, you know what? I'll go ahead and join you. Here we are. All right, so let's continue on. Life was better before humans. Dude, facts. Oh, nice, Ghost. Well, hopefully the reinstall of OpenBSD goes well. Hopefully. Well, I mean, really, in all honesty, the best way to do it is to stay in school, you know, and smoke. But I would never advocate for that. Like, I mean, I'm just saying, like that, you know, like, why not both? You know, just be like that old commercial. But why not both? Okay, so now we can go. We've themed most shit. Let's vim into dot. What the shit are we looking for? Vim dot. Let's do X resources first things first. Because we're going to go in here. I'm going to change this to Dwayda. We're going back to that. I'm removing Dracula cursors and all. Cursor size 24. Sure. Yeah. I mean, I don't know why my cursor is so massive. Like, when I go on just the desktop, I don't know why that keeps on OpenBSD. Like, this is something that happens like pretty frequently. Like, I don't know what it is that does it. It's something in my dot files, but I've got to figure out what it is before I can fix it. Monofur nerd font mono. Into is true, colon, auto hint equals true. Gotta have the whole shebang in there. And then we need to change this to have our X resources in it. Come on. there has to be, yeah, X resources. There we go. I was like, you have to have an X resources. Control C. Let's do this again. Control C, copy. Control Shift V. WQ. Save that. Let's rm-rf dot icons, I believe, and it's no, it isn't themes. Themes, Dracula cursor. Oh, come on. ls dot themes, ls dot icons. Okay, it's with a capital D. Okay, rm-rf dot icons, Dracula cursors. Let's remove that. So there we go. We don't want that. Let's go in here because I believe Capuchin has their own cursors too. Believe. I thought they did. Maybe not. Productivity. Oh, GitHub. They got. Enable CSP. Settings. And where is CSP? Patch CSP to allow style assets. Yeah, close. Okay. We'll just go ahead and install that. Why not? Let's see. The Apache fork from OpenBSD. I mean, I could really live a great life and never touch Apache. That'd be great. Not because I don't like Apache, but because I'm just not it's just not something that interests me. Okay, so do we not have cursor? I could have sworn Capuchin had cursors. Okay, I mean, we've got Grub. Oh, cursors right there. Wow, I'm such a dipshit. Wow, all right. That was a little embarrassing. Good lord. Extract the selected theme from cursors directory. Okay, cursor size is 24 to 64. Yeah. Okay. And we have, let's see the images here. So the macchiato one is the one that I'm looking at. So we could easily rock this. No problem. No problem. Easily. I think we could do that. I like it. I like it. I mean, or we could just stick with the Dueta. Should we just stick with the Dueta? Or should I go with, like, Capuchin's cursors, too? Or nah? I mean, yeah, bloat is really just a meme because it's completely subjective to everybody. Anything can be bloat because it just depends on who you're talking to. So, like, really, like, if you're going to critique something and bloat is why, then you've got to specify what the bloat is to you, and then it's also such a complicated argument to have with someone too, because it's like, well, literally you could have an argument that something's bloated and the other person's definition of bloat be literally 100% different than yours, and it's just it's one of those things where, like, when people say something's bloated, I'm just like, yeah, like, sounds good. Like, I mean, that's your opinion. Like, I mean, it's not like I'm going to be rude or anything, but it's just like, it doesn't affect me one bit because I have to see if something's bloated. Like, in my opinion, OpenSUSE is bloated because it just comes with so much shit. But that's not bloated to everybody. Like, it might be low on system resources or something, and that's why it's not bloated to someone else. Like, it's just, everyone's got their own definition. Just to install HTOP as a snap. Well, I hope you're loving your HTOP snap. Okay, so I haven't had anyone else's input. I want to know from you guys, what do you guys think we should use? Just the Adueta, or should we rock one of these a macchiato cursors for the Capuchin theme? Because we could go with, like, the dark theme. I don't know about going with an actual color like blue or purple, but I mean, those would be my two that I would pick. But I think going with something like dark would be a good option. Perhaps light, maybe, but I doubt it. I think dark would be good. Macchiato for sure. Full on Capuchin. I got you, bro. I got you. All right. Go dark. I like it. All right. Yeah. See, you guys have good taste. That's why I ask. You know. Yeah. So it's gonna take just a sec. Oh wow, that was quick. Okay. Oh, it did not seem like it was gonna go that fast. ls cd cursors ls. Okay. Where is unzip? Make sure I did install unzip. I don't think I did. pkg add unzip. Oh, I always forget. I need to set up something that does this, but because it's supposed, or oh shit, that's not what I meant. External. There we go. I don't know why I keep forgetting to do that, but yeah. Give me unzip, and then we're gonna unzip Capuchin macchiato, and we're gonna do dark cursors, and we're gonna extract that into /.icons. Caution, file name not matched. What? What? Huh? Alright, you know what? Let's just unzip it and then move it. Oh, maybe that's, well, yeah, you can't move something with an unzip. Or maybe you can, I don't know. Fuck it. I've never done it before. MV, Cat, Poochin, Macchiato, dark cursors. We're going to move that to icons. Perfect. Now we're going to do a, let's see, what are we going to do? Yeah, I think we should do like the blue. We'll just go ahead and do the blue as well. Capuchin, Macchiato, blue cursors, and then MV, Capuchin, Macchiato, blue cursors, to dot icons. Alright, go up, RN-RF cursors, okay, LX appearance, and then we're going to go into the cursor and do, oh yeah, the blue is no good, but we will do the dark, that looks pretty good, I like it. Fim.gtk2. Let's go tabby.xresources. Go over here and we're going to do v and copy this. We're going to go up here, go to P, and we're going to paste it. Oop, get rid of that, and just keep the Capuchin. Cool beans. WQ, save that. Cool beans, cool beans. Awesome. We got our cursors and everything set up. Let's rm-rf.icons, Capuchin, Macchiato, blue. Let's remove that because we don't want it. That's gross. And then let's see, Dunst, which let's go ahead and copy the Dunst. Macchiato.conf. We're going to take this, Control C, hold on, let's go vim.config Dunst.rc. V. 20. Get rid of all that. Just need our font to be changed to mono Q, save that. Now we're going to cd in the .config, suckless, DWM, config, def.h. Oh shit. Let's just cd in the DWM. And then we want to pull up the palette from their website. Palette. How would you do what, Terrell? But the cursor didn't change? Yes, it didn't, because it won't change. I mean, it changed inside of like the terminal here and on the desktop for some reason. On the desktop, I don't know why it's changed. Yeah, there we go. It should look like that on the desktop, but yeah, it's not going to change until I reload X resources and do all that bejazzle. But so we've got palette, GIMP. Wait, what? Oh no. This is not what I want. Like, I want the literal palette. There we go. Macchiato. So we're gonna do vim config def.h, and our border pixel is gonna be 0. I want to see how it looks without any border. I want to see how that works, because I use my mouse like for focus most of the time anyways. I know. But anyway, that's how I do shit. So let's take this down like 20. We could probably take it down more, but we'll try it. We'll try that. Color gray. So the color scheme normal is the foreground being gray 3. Okay. And that will make be subtext 1. Control C, Control Shift V. Then when it's selected, it's gray 4. And for that, we'll grab the regular text, paste that there. Background for everything is cyan and gray 1 and gray 2. Normal, yeah. All right, so instead of this, remove this, go down here, go to V and copy that, paste it in here. So the background for the bar is going to be crust. We want it real dark. Control-Shift-V, and then the border is going to be, we'll do blue. And then P. This needs to be 5 instead of cyan. I mean, I could have just kept it the way it was, but you know, whatever. Copy that shit and paste it in there. And then the regular old, or excuse me, the backgrounds one, and the border when it's selected will be that. The border when it's not selected will be instead of blue, let's see, will be base. Alright, save that. Perfect. Let's see, what else do I need to improve, if anything? I don't think I need anything. I think that's it. rmconfig.h. Yup. Make sure that's gone. Do as make install. Ooh, install clean. All right. Awesome's good. Awesome's good. That's for damn sure. But I'm not a massive fan of Awesome. I just know you can do some really cool shit with it. Oh, I actually miss Zero AD too, man. Soon. We will play it very, very soon. Let me go ahead and restart DWM, because I think I can go ahead and do that. And yeah, get this improved look going on. Oh yeah, that is epic. Let me just move that over there, that over there. Let me do mod I. Oh my lord, that is beautiful. Beautiful. That's just, oh, it's just perfect. Hey buddy, do you need to go outside? Yeah. Yeah, buddy needs to go outside. Give me just 1 second, boys, and I'll be right back. And with how good this is looking, I think we might just either finish up with the status bar and then play some games, or we can play some games and then come back to working on the status bar. Tell me what you guys want to see. I'm going to go let the dogs out, and I'll be right back. Come on, buddy. Come on. Baby, come on. All right. I left Buddy some water outside so he can enjoy his time outside. Let's see. Status bar. All right. All right. Just to KWM. All right. Let's see. Let me hit that pin real nice. And then yeah, let's do this status bar. So I've never done SL status, so I don't even know how this shit works. So let's see. I know what it is. How do I use it? It's a status monitor for window managers that use WNAME or STD and fill in the status bar. Okay. Let's Control C. Let's just go up. Let's Control Shift V. Let's get clone to SL status. CD into SL status. LS. Vim config .def.h interval what I have no idea how this fucking works. $1,000 milliseconds between update. Okay, but what the fuck is all this shit? Oh, okay. Okay, it's telling you all the options, and then you can add them down in here. Okay. Function, description, argument, example. Gotcha. So, function, format, and then argument. Let me see what some other people's SL statuses look like. SL status. Let's see what DistroTubes looks like. Derek Taylor's. DWM blocks. Wait, what? Okay, so he does not use SL status, I guess. Has he ever used SL status? Oh. I see. You think you can beat me in 0 AD, Luca? Alright. We'll have to put that to the test. Come on, he's got to have SL status up in this bitch. Nope. Okay, who has an SL status config they're willing to throw up? Come on, boys, it's time to chip in. It's time to be team players here. Who has a sick SL status that they want to share with the class. All right. If you have an SL status config that you are proud of, or even if you're not proud of it, stop being a shy little baby and throw that bitch out here. All right. Show us what you got. Show me your SL status. Okay. Here's what we'll do. In Discord, in off topic, throw it in there. Throw your config in there. I want to see people's SL status configs, links to your SL status configs in Discord's off topic ASAP. Damn it. I was really hoping somebody in here was like, oh, I've got a sick one. I'll just throw it your way. SL status it's a little tool that we're setting up now, but it's from the Suckless guys, the guys who make DWM and everything. And it's to fill in this area here with like neat little info. Okay. Lucas throwing out his dot files. I like it. Alright, so let's go check out Lucas dot files. Let's see. I'm going to assume it's going to be in home.config. Is it going to be in here? No. See, where is it at? Maybe it's in themes. No. Local. Oh, come on. Where would this be? Where is your SL status at? Huh. I'm trying to find it. I mean, I've got to just be missing it. Suckless, maybe? No. Huh. So it's not in .config. Don't think it's in home. In X11? Like, would it be in there by some weird fucking reason? Where is it at? Local bin. Ah, okay. I got you. Local bin status bar. Gotcha. Wait. Wait, is this your own custom little script? This is pretty cool. I mean, I'd have to do major modifications. I definitely have to do modifications to get it to work on OpenBSD. For sure. I mean, I don't think so much on date, but yeah. Oh, ouch. That sucks. Keyboard layout, screen light, memory. Yeah, this is pretty nice. But we need an SL status config. See, how in the fuck do you know the formatting for this? That is wild. Like, how on God's green earth are you like, yep, oh, that makes sense to me. Okay. Like what is this black magic? Net speed, disk used. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, so I like it. I'm not going to get the net speed. I could care less about that. We do want to add the disk used. That one's for sure. Shift-V. Let me format this right. I want to keep it all in line. Okay. CPU percentage. We definitely want the CPU. Oh, good lord. CPU percentage. Then let's see. Then we want to grab RAM usage. Perfect. Let's see. Date and time. We'll try that out later. WQ. Let's save that. Let's do as. Oh wait. We need to do vim config into the vim into the config.make file. Forgot, because we're going to have to change the OpenBSD line. Add dash ls and wait, what? So confused. LD libs. Add it to what? Down here, I'm gonna guess. Dash ls ndio. I'm gonna guess. Guessing. Hope that works. Now let's build it. Okay. So now, where is SL status? We've got it. So if I run SL status, we get stuff, but kind of broken. We've got 2 dates going on. Like, what the fuck is going on up there? Huh? What is this shit? Yes, get rid of it. Vim into config. Oh, thanks YouTube. Config.def.h. Just do this, do this. So with just that, we get the date twice. Why do we get the date twice? Oh no, wait, that's the date and time. Oh, it's just in a horrifyingly terrible configuration. Oh. Okay. I gotcha. So let's do this. Control C. Let's do rm config def.h. Remove it. Vim config.h. These 2 lines here. Control C. So, and that, let's remove it. Yeah, see, this config here is not good. Control C. New. We need SL status config.h. Yes. We need this dude. Let's go in here. Hit me with all of this shit. config.h. June, yeah. That's pretty good. But it's still giving me 21 hour time. Hold on, let me see. Let me load up my own GitLab, my dot files, and let me go into .local bin time and date. We're going to do Control C and go up here into oh, well, okay. Oh, I thought I had like a whole bunch of missed shit on my phone, but no, it's fine. Cool, sick, awesome. Scared me for a second. All right, so now what we should probably do is add in the rest of this shit, because this does look good here, but we should remove the seconds if we can. Wait, hold on. Is it the dash R that does it? I think so. And now, SL status. Yeah, it's the dash R. Oh. Because we'll just get the date that way. Wait, why am I not getting the PM up there? When I get the %R. Oh, I am. Wow, okay. I just can't pay attention. All right. Looks good. That's just, I mean, it's a lot of space for just the time and everything, but I'll always know what time it is. Yeehaw. Let's vim back into config.h. let's go up here and we want the CPU percentage. I've got faith that this guy has good taste. Good taste. Let's see. DWM clean install and SL status. CPU looks good. 5%. Cool beans. Okay. That looks good. But definitely just gonna replace this with just 2 spaces instead of 3. Control C. Let's do, then back in here, go to RAM percentage, Control C. And then Wi-Fi, no, we will do disk percentage. All right. Go to do as make clean install and then SL status, and there we go. We've got RAM, disk, all that shit all nice in there. It's pretty good. So let's do Control C. Now we have to make the final touches to this, really clean it up. And to do that, what we're going to do is 0.5, 0.5, and the date and time we're going to keep like it is, but for this stuff we're going to grab icons, material, icon, GG. And go here. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's always really cool when you can do custom things like this for yourself. Like it's really fun. So let's see if we can't find some good icons for disk, RAM, and CPU. Let's see if I search RAM, nothing. If I search disk, nothing. Drive, nope. Can't be scrolling so fast through this bitch. Where is some good icons? This shit needs to look good. And see, the sad part is like the best way to hide shit from me is to put it right in front of me, and so the odds of me finding the icons that I'm looking for is very low. especially without me being able to search for them, which would make this so much easier. I mean, we've got like laptops and stuff, but I don't really want something like that for it. Come on. Oh, O'Shea, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. We're doing some final touches on getting icons up here and filling out the status bar, so it's got the disk usage, CPU percentage that we're using, and RAM percentage. And right now we're just finding icons for disk, CPU, and RAM. And yeah, I haven't found any great ones yet. If you see one, then point it out. Be like 5 rows down, 3 to the left. Or just be like 5 down, like 3 left, like whatever. I'll try and scroll pretty slow as we go through here, because I'm looking for good icons. Tried searching for stuff, but didn't find anything based off of what I searched. Oh yes, OpenBSD is very fun, very fun. As long as you can run it, it's worth playing with. You probably won't stay with it because it's very limiting in the amount of things that you can install on it. But it's got a lot that is supported. It's very fun. It's a very simple OS to learn. I need to go grab Buddy and let him back in, so give me 1 second. So let's see, what can we get now? I mean, we could go with like the SD card. Well, you know what? We'll go with like the floppy disk looking icon for disk usage. Let's keep on going. Let's find something we can use for CPU, and now we need RAM. CPU and RAM. Looking for beautiful icons. I mean, there's a lot of good looking icons, but not ones that look like CPU or kind of architecture like. Come on, baby, you can do it. Or something that looks like RAM. Like, come on. And we're at the bottom. Foik. Damn. What are we going to use for these? Well, I mean, this could go for RAM. Yeah, that could definitely go for RAM. All right, now we need CPU. Last thing, CPU. What can we do for CPU? Yeah, I mean, it's working good now, I hope. Everybody's told me audio's good. So, yeah. Now, the delay issues in Discord, no. I'm not going to be able to fix that. That's just a Discord issue. I don't know. Maybe if I was running Dash Current, it's fixed, but I doubt it. But I'm also not running Dash Current, so I don't know. My God, my stomach is killing me. But it's mainly because I haven't eaten all day. I've just been avoiding eating because, eating's for like losers. Dude, I need something like a CPU icon. Come on. If you guys see something, let me know. What looks like a good CPU icon? Here we are. There we go. We found it. And we get a weather icon when I paste it in here. The fuck? You sick son of a bitch. What the fuck is this? Yep, I get a weather icon and it's all small. Oh. That's just terrible. Terrible. Okay, so we have to find another icon. Wow, that is annoying. That is so annoying. I think we could use something like that for it. But that doesn't really look like a CPU chip. Sucks. We could use that. And nope, that one doesn't go in here either. God bless it. Any one that I'm like, yeah, I think that could work. It's like, no. It's not a real icon. Why you do this? Take this. Yes. Okay. That one works. Good. Let's use it. All right. We got this added. use rainbow icon. Yeah. No. Now let me do SL status from here. Cool. We've got our beautiful setup. I can see how much disk usage is going on, CPU usage, RAM, everything. We've got a beautiful, thick bar. It's easily readable. Yeah, it's very nice. Now we also have all the fonts set up, so the next time I'm streaming, you should see the browser and everything have mono fur, all that good stuff. Yeah, so that's pretty awesome. Now the only thing I need to do is like theme Qt applications and stuff. Buddy, shush. And then I'd be done, we'd be all set. So I guess now we can just go ahead and I'll cd out of here and do a yatum add .config suckless. Adding embedded git repository. Oh shit. Whoops. cd into yatum rm --cached .config suckless SL status. I don't even know what that means. rm rf.config suckless SL status .git and DWM shouldn't have anything in it. DWM dot, yeah, it doesn't have anything. Alright, well, now I guess we could just play games, but I think this has been a long enough stream. We've got a really nice looking setup and everything, and I guess the next time we get together live on this channel, we'll be playing some games. I'm also going to probably do some recording of me gaming on here, so yeah, look forward to seeing some more OpenBSD content. Thanks for being here, boys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.